Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today, as you can see, we are going to be working on the Tree of Life, and it is by Joy Sunday from PaintSomeWay. And today we're going to be working on the branches of the trees, and the color is 801. It's kind of a, I don't know, kind of a golden brown, or it's got a little red in it. So, yeah, why not, right? Oh my goodness, did everybody survive Thanksgiving? My goodness gracious, let me bring you back in so you can see what the heck we are doing today. Yep, we made it. We did it. Yeah. Yep. And the weather was just absolutely stunning. Just stunning, and everything turned out perfect. And it was a little cold, but nothing too horrible. They got 2 feet of snow. When we got that foot of snow, they got 2 feet. Yeah. So, yeah, it was all stacked up everywhere. And my son had just said the night before they got all that snow that, oh, they only had about 4 inches. Yeah. So, got a little snow in Leadville. But the roads were dry all the way there. And I will show you a picture right in here of our ride. Yeah, I had that all wrong. So, it was absolutely lovely. Very nice, very comfortable. And we got there and we got back in it. And I'll put another picture of what the scenery as we were going by looked like. Yeah, the skies were blue. There was a few little white clouds just here, there, nowhere, you know. And just a perfect day. So, I hope your day was just as lovely. And you got where you were going to and didn't have any hitches. Yeah. I came home, and we got home about 5:30-ish, somewhere in there. And I proceeded to lay down and take a 2-hour nap. I know, at 5:30 at night. Yeah. Had to get up. Yep. Just keep moving. Oh, gosh. But yeah, it was lovely. Got to see, now my great-grandson and my other granddaughter, they weren't there because she had to work and everything, so she couldn't get away to come. So, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, they have a wood-burning stove, so they had that up to Mach 10. They have that in a small room. So, it was nice and warm and toasty. And since we're showing pictures, I had 2 viewers send me 2 pictures. The first one is from, oh my goodness, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Name has gone completely out the window. I know what the project is. It's a beautiful little pillow. I just love that color. It looks like it's teal or green, or both, of those birds. It's just lovely. Great job. Thank you for sending it. I know your last name is Littleton. We'll call you Ms. Littleton. Thank you. Oh, that just drives me crazy. I've never been good with names, so here we are. And the second one is from Sharon, and it's one of those Tai Chi yin and yang pictures, and that's a finish. Just absolutely gorgeous. Now I know what it'll look like. Although all mine, I think, are in animals. I think I'll have to get them out. Yeah, they're in the dreaded go find it room. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I know approximately where they're at, and I was smart enough to put most of them together, like 4 kits in a bag. I remember I was running short of bags to put things in, and so I put like 4 to 5 kits at one time into the bag. So yeah, I have to get them out someday. So what is everybody doing? Are you just recuperating from Thanksgiving? Now I know other countries don't celebrate Thanksgiving the same day we do. So everybody's got plans and plans. My daughter, I talked to her, and we were talking about my teapot that I had when we have our Christmas tea. So I'll have to go look for it. I'll be on a mission. I'm just not sure where it's at exactly. Yeah. Either that or I'll use, I got that new Japanese tea set. So I may have to get it out if I can't find the other. But we're talking about planning it and what kind of food we want to have and stuff. So it's kind of the highlight of our Christmas season, but that won't be for a couple weeks, I don't think. So we usually have it closer, to Christmas. So, yeah. That's always fun. My grandson, he just like to have the either tea or hot chocolate or whatever we're having, and the little cakes and stuff, and not participate in the after diamond painting that we always do. Okay, gotta get rid of this needle here. So, yeah, he's decided he doesn't really care for diamond painting, but I can usually talk my granddaughter into making some ornaments or something, so that's what we like to do after our tea. It's kind of our little thing. Okay, hang on, guys. I got my little lady with the pearl earring. I'm trying to get a hold of all this material, and some days, well, let's come about halfway back. It'll be fine. Just so I can hang on to it. Yeah, I forgot all about this. I know. Amazing but true, right? I didn't know what to stitch on today, so found this when I was looking for other things and went, yeah, this is not a hard stitch. It's all the back stitch to this that's the piece of work. But it'll be fine. Oh, now we gotta fix that. Hold, please. There'll be a hot moment. Operator error here. Holy cow. Yeah, I can't believe Christmas will be in like, what, 3 weeks? It's like, shut up. Just shut up. I wish we could have a couple months between Thanksgiving and Christmas, but no, it's like a downhill slide from Halloween. Yeah. So, it is what it is. Of course, my daughter will be hosting the Christmas affair, so I don't know what they're gonna plan on having for food and all that, so I'm gonna make some of my cookie press cookies for that. I may make some for the tea, so, because I really like making them. They're fairly easy. You can't go wrong. We'll think of something. Oh my goodness. And they're nice and lightweight, because I swear I'm not making that pie. I'm really over that pie. Yeah. But I did bring some of my son's pistachio cream pie that he makes. It has like a Oreo cookie crust to it, and they just make it with that pistachio pudding. It's really good. And it's not so heavy. I got over pumpkin pie a long time ago. I can eat pumpkin bread, but pumpkin pie, it's not something I'm going to buy a whole thing of. Yeah, no. So we'll see. I'll just leave her be and let her stew for a couple of weeks, and then she'll be able to tell me what is they've decided to... Oops, I missed one right there, didn't I? What we're having and how to proceed. Because it's a thing to get it all together. But oh, I was full as a tick yesterday. And I didn't eat that much food. I don't know. I about fell asleep on the way back because that ride was so comfortable. My granddaughter and I sat in the back. There's like 3 seats, so 2 people to a seat in that thing. And so we sat in the back seat with blankets over our laps, and she was playing on her Switch game, and I just sat there. I did take a cross stitch with me, but did I work on it? No. Didn't have time. Oh my goodness. I guess my son-in-law has to go back to work tomorrow. Or today, I mean. Oh, God. Yeah, nowadays are just blending together. So he works, like, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then he's off Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So he would have worked Thursday, and he worked Wednesday, so, yeah. I think they're on 4/10s. So... that keeps him busy, but... oh my goodness. And sometime today, when it warms up, because right now it's about 5 out there. You know how it is in the morning. Once it warms up, maybe this early afternoon, I've got to go and do the laundry. Yay! My idea of fun, but got to do it. It doesn't take very long, and it's not real taxing, shall we say. I don't think I could handle having my own washer and dryer, because I like the fact that I can go there, throw in 2 loads, put them both in the dryer, and we're done in 40 minutes instead of, you know how it goes. Drag it out all day, do the laundry, then go do 4 other things. Yeah, no, I can't handle that anymore. So. Oh my goodness. Well, this has been an easy stitch here. I thought maybe I'd start defining some of them other areas I need to work on. I didn't stitch on anything yesterday. I was just not capable. I was either getting ready to go or I was coming home and taking a nap. So yeah, I just took a day off from stitching. So I know. See where that got me? I got stabbed by my own needle. It'll be fine. Everything is fine. Alright, guys. That way I can go back and do all of that brown color, like within a section, and go on. Because the stitching part is not the hard part in this. Let me pull you down so you know what I'm talking about. But, you know, because it's pretty solid here and there. There's a little bit of confetti, nothing too big. So, yeah. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me. I hope you had a lovely day yesterday. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.